Hi, my name is Melissa Pinsons, and I am a registered dietitian with the URI SNAP Education Program. Some of you may recognize me out in the community at senior centers and housing sites throughout the state of Rhode Island. Thank you for joining our lesson today.
Welcome to Healthy Eating as We Age, Part 2. Presented by the University of Rhode Island Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, Education, URI SNAP-Ed. Today we will talk about varying your vegetables, how to select the best food to eat for your teeth and gums, use herbs and spices, the importance of reading the nutrition facts label, and how to ask your doctor about vitamins and mineral supplements when needed. Let's start with a trivia question. How many cups of vegetables do you need each day? Is it 1 cup, 1.5 cups, or 2 cups? Take a moment to think of the best answer. The correct answer is 2 cups of vegetables every day for those 51 years and older. Let's start with the importance of varying your vegetables. Vegetables provide your body with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to help maintain good health. These nutrients can help prevent you from getting a cold, prevent or delay chronic health conditions, and keep you regular. It's important to eat a variety of different colored vegetables every day. Every color does something different to help our bodies stay healthy. A variety means eating fruits and vegetables that are different colors, textures, shapes, and sizes. Let's go through all the colors to see what they do for our body, focusing on just vegetables for today. Let's start with green vegetables. Green helps with digestion, eyesight, and maintaining strong bones. Some vegetables examples include cabbage, spinach, broccoli, asparagus, snap peas, zucchini, and Brussels sprouts. Red will help to keep your heart strong and memory sharp. Try eating tomatoes, radishes, red peppers, or red onion. White helps to keep your body safe and strong. Add in mushrooms, garlic, cauliflower, parsnips, or potatoes for a few vegetable ideas. Yellow and orange keep your eyes healthy and your skin glowing. Some popular vegetables include squash, carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes. Lastly, we have blue and purple, which help you to learn and remember. Try purple carrots, cabbage, or eggplant in your next dish. Try to choose a variety of vegetables every day to get the most nutrients in your diet. As you age, sometimes it can be more difficult to choose certain foods like raw vegetables, raw fruit, or even meats. Try cooked or canned, low-sodium vegetables and unsweetened fruits, which are much softer than fresh and raw. With canned vegetables, be sure to check the label and select those with low sodium or no added salt. When choosing soft fruits from a can or cup, always make sure it is packed in 100% juice. Avoid heavy or light syrup, which is added sugar. As you may know, foods may seem to lose their flavor as you age. Herbs and spices are a great way to add different flavors and colors into your meal to make them taste better. Try using a mix of spices like dill, rosemary, thyme, sage, curry powder, or oregano, to name a few. It is easy to grab the salt shaker at the dinner table. Try to avoid adding your own salt when cooking or adding it to your meal. Instead, try different herbs and spices that can be fresh or dried. Here is another question to think about. What is the first thing you should look at on a nutrition facts label? Is it serving size, total fat, or total calories? Take a moment to pick your best guess. The correct answer is Serving size. Always start with the serving size and number of servings per container. This will tell you the amount the label is based on. If you have double the serving size, be sure to double everything on the nutrition facts label. Read the nutrition facts label and pay close attention to what is on the label for the amount of calories, fat, sodium, and other nutrients that are in foods. Ask your doctor if there are any other nutrients that you might need to have less or more of. In addition to the nutrition facts label, it is so important to check the ingredient list when shopping for a product. Note that the ingredients are listed from most to least. So if the first ingredient is sugar, that means the product is made mostly of sugar. Our last question today is true or false? I should get my vitamins and minerals from food first. Do you think that this is true or false? Please take a moment to decide. The correct answer is true. Always try to get your nutrients from food first. Food is the best way to get your nutrients because our body absorbs nutrients from food much easier. Speak with your doctor about dietary supplements if you have concerns or think you are still not getting enough. Our recipe today is Southwestern black bean and quinoa salad. The next slide has a quick 1-minute video of one of our SNAP-Ed recipes. The first step is to prepare the quinoa according to package directions. In a large bowl, mix together the quinoa, black beans, fresh or frozen corn, diced mango, and red onion. Add cilantro and set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice and olive oil. Add the minced garlic, salt, ground cumin, chili powder, and mix together with a fork. Add the dressing to your salad and toss it all together. Top it off with some more cilantro and refrigerate before you serve. Thank you so much for joining our lesson today. In summary, be sure to take a quick self-evaluation to see if you're reaching your goals on staying healthy. Some of these include varying your vegetables, eating for your teeth and gums, using herbs and spices, reading the nutrition facts label, and asking your doctor about vitamin and mineral supplements. If you are looking for more information, please call our toll-free number listed here or check out our website for more recipes and handouts. Thank you again for joining us today as we learn more about staying healthy as we age.